Have you ever wished your home could help take care of you? Reminding you to take your medicine, turning off the lights automatically, or even calling for help if you ever fall? Well, for millions of older adults today, that wish is already coming true. Smart home technology is no longer something for the young. It's for anyone who wants to live more comfortably, safely, and independently, especially in their golden years. So if you're curious about how technology can make your home smarter and your life easier, stay with me. You might be surprised at how simple and affordable it can be. As we get older, maintaining independence becomes one of the most important goals in life. We all want to live in our own homes, to enjoy our routines, our memories, and our sense of freedom. But with age, daily tasks can start to feel a bit more challenging. That's where smart home technology steps in. You see, smart homes aren't about fancy gadgets or confusing apps. They're about comfort, safety, and peace of mind. From voice-activated lights and smart thermostats to devices that monitor your health or alert loved ones in an emergency, these tools can make life smoother and safer without taking away your independence. Today, we'll explore some of the best smart home options for seniors in America. Practical, easy-to-use technologies that can truly improve your quality of life. 1. Voice-activated assistants, your helpful companion. Let's start with one of the simplest and most popular tools, voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Imagine being able to turn off the lights, set reminders, or call your family, all by simply speaking. For example, you can say, "Alexa, remind me to take my pills at 9 a.m." Or, "Hey Google, what's the weather today?" These assistants can even help you make grocery lists or play your favorite oldies music. The best part? You don't have to get up or fumble with buttons. For anyone who struggles with arthritis, poor vision, or balance issues, voice control can be a real game changer. 2. Smart lighting. Safety with a simple glow. Now, here's something most people don't realize. Falls are one of the biggest risks for seniors at home, especially at night. Smart lighting can make a huge difference. You can set motion sensor lights in hallways or bathrooms, so when you walk in, the lights turn on automatically. Or with smart bulbs, you can say, "Alexa, turn off the bedroom lights," without leaving your bed. I recently heard about a couple in Florida, both in their 70s, who installed motion lights after one of them tripped in the dark. Since then, no more nighttime accidents, and their energy bill actually went down because the lights only stay on when needed. 3. Smart thermostats, comfort and savings. Now, let's talk about staying comfortable without wasting energy. Smart thermostats like Nest or Ecobee can automatically adjust the temperature based on your habits. Let's say you like it a little warmer in the mornings and cooler at night. The thermostat will learn that pattern. You can even change the temperature with your voice or from your phone, no matter where you are. For seniors who live in areas with hot summers or cold winters, this isn't just about comfort. It's about health and safety. Keeping the temperature right can help prevent issues like dehydration or cold-related illness. 4. Smart health devices, quiet guardians of well-being. Now this is where things get really interesting. Today, you can find smart devices that help you track your health at home. There are blood pressure monitors, glucose trackers, and even wearable watches that detect irregular heartbeats or falls. If something unusual happens, these devices can send alerts to your phone or directly to your loved ones. Imagine the peace of mind that brings, especially for family members who live far away. Take, for example, a man named Robert, 78, from Ohio. He wears a smartwatch that once detected an irregular heartbeat while he was gardening. It sent a warning, and he called his doctor right away. That simple alert might have saved his life. 5. Smart doorbells and security systems. Safety you can see. Feeling secure in your own home is priceless. Smart doorbells like Ring let you see and talk to whoever's at your door, right from your phone or tablet. You can check packages, talk to visitors, and even see what's happening when you're away. For seniors living alone, that's a big confidence booster. No need to rush to the door or worry about strangers. And with motion alerts, you'll always know if someone's outside, day or night. Many seniors say this one device alone helped them feel safer and more independent than ever before. 6. Smart plugs and appliances, making everyday tasks easier. Another great tool for independence is the smart plug. You can plug almost any device, like a lamp, coffee maker, or fan, into it, and then control it with your phone or voice. So if you ever forget to turn off the coffee maker, you can do it from your phone, even if you're already in bed. Simple, right? It's small touches like this that can make daily life easier and safer. And finally, let's talk about emergency detection and alerts. Help when you need it most. Smart home technology has gone beyond the old "I've fallen and I can't get up" buttons. Now there are discrete sensors that can detect a fall automatically, check if doors are locked at night, or alert family members if there's no movement for a while. Some systems even call emergency services for you. It's like having a quiet guardian that looks out for you, giving both you and your loved ones peace of mind. So, let's take a quick look back. Voice assistants can make everyday life easier. Smart lighting keeps you safe. Smart thermostats help you stay comfortable. Health monitors track your well-being. Smart doorbells and plugs add security and convenience. And emergency systems can literally save lives. You don't need to install everything at once. Even one or two of these devices can make a big difference. Think of it as building a home that adapts to you, helping you live safely and independently for many more years to come. If this video helped you understand how smart home technology can make life easier, please consider subscribing. I share simple, practical, and science-backed tips to help you stay healthy, active, and confident at any age. And if you know someone, maybe a friend or family member, who could benefit from this information, share this video with them. A small piece of knowledge can make a big difference in someone's life. Thank you for watching. And remember, living smarter isn't about keeping up with technology. It's about letting technology help you live your best, most independent life.